Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your AOL mail font size on your account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL mail website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your account credentials to log in. After logging in, you will be taken into your home page, from which if you wish to change the font size within your AOL mail account, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which is the settings option. From the settings page, if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find the enable large text size option. You can click on the toggle, and as soon as you click on this will change your text size into a large text. This large text will be applied into all of the sections within your email account. If you wish to change this back to normal, you can once again click on settings and then scroll down and disable the toggle which says enable large text size. And now this will change back your text size into the original small fonts. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and change the text size for your AOL mail account based on your preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your AOL mail font size within your account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.